we hit, new levels. This chart looks very much like Tesla to me, right? Like Tesla's right here, right? Let me put them in comparison. Let me put them in, stocks do recover. It's just, where do you enter and where is the level that held and gives you confirmation that we've held. All right. Check this out. Right. Right. Don't they look similar? Don't both these charts look similar? But look what stocks also do. Boom, right? Look at this move. Right? So putting your trading into perspective is also one of the key factors into becoming a consistent and profitable trader. That's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool to put in perspective. So stocks do recover, right? Sometimes you get trapped. I got trapped on Tesla at, 161, but it's okay. I got trapped again at 138, but it's okay, right? Because I wanted to say that I bought below 140, right? Now, as I'm, looking at this, I see the positive output because I'm not, this is more of things I'm watching to hold more to the long term, right? I have close to 40,000 shares in Tesla, right? And this is just buying opportunities for me, right? If we get lower, I believe in it, right? I want to invest in the company. I want something I believe in it, and I believe in it so bad that this is not investment. It's not financial advice. This is something I do believe into it. So exactly. So for those of you guys who also do want to watch me live trade tomorrow, so watch me in action. Don't just watch me talk right here. Those of you guys who do want to watch me live trade tomorrow, go ahead and DM me live trade. If you guys go ahead and DM me live trade, I'll go ahead. I'll go ahead and share the live trading link for tomorrow to be able to watch it. Also, the volume test. Exactly, the volume on Tesla is telling a story. There's been so much selling presence here. All right. The largest selling of last. That's how you guys have to also look at it. Thursday was the biggest selling that Tesla had, right? And then Friday as well, right? But then you see how it eased, right? Whereas right here, it just kept increasing and increasing, right? It died down a little bit, but all of a sudden Thursday fucked it up, right? I mean, generally we don't give investment advice, right? But it's just my output in the company. I believe in it, right? This stock could definitely fall back down to $100, and I'm prepared to buy more of it. This is word of advice when investing in the stock market. You do it calculatively, right? You're not looking to put all your eggs in one basket, right? Unless you have, like the edge to do so, right? Like I have a plan with all my shares, right? I have a very low average that psychologically I can handle it, right? My average is very low on Tesla, meaning that since my average is low, I can psychologically handle it, right? Like 40,000 shares, like seeing them at, at a certain amount last week. And then after that, watching it, decrease by like over $800,000. Like I can psychologically handle that because I have such a good entry point. This could be the entry point that, 3-5 years later, you can psychologically do this, right? But there's levels to this. And I've been doing this for over 12 years. And this is something that, it didn't happen overnight, right? If I was able to accumulate these shares, I too was in the cycle of Tesla where it was very nerve-wracking, right? It was like, shit, do you drink coffee? Yo, what's up, Anush? Do you drink coffee? I do very much drink coffee. Not funny. But yeah, guys, so that's one of the things with investing long term or investing in anything in general, right? Whenever you invest, you're looking at the longer term picture. You're looking at what's the longer prospect of my investment, right? You're not looking at short term rewards. If you're looking for short term rewards, more of a day trader, and you should do less of the swing strategy. Hmm. But yeah. But yeah, guys, that's the perspective. If you guys do want to, invest in Tesla, look at it through this, right? How well can it hold this zone, right? How well can it hold this zone? And if it doesn't, then boom. So I like to use I do so Fred, I use a different variety of strategies, right? Like I like to look at the breadth of the market to see, ultimately, the conditions of that, that are being presented to itself based on oscillator standpoint. But I do use Confluence in terms of breakouts, meaning that I'm looking at a key level. Like for example, as soon as I notice that futures, basically here, I'm gonna give you an example of a trade I took, right? And I am having a new academic program where I'm just looking at how to take advantage of quick scalps. And this is more of once the oscillators present itself, boom, it could go. So with this is that once we opened, right, I noticed this wick area here, and at 82.50 around those zones, I took some ES longs, right, where I took advantage of the pushward momentum. We're above this zone. There's momentum here, and I took advantage of an $8 price point move, right? I made like about $2,700, $2,750 on this trade based on trading futures, right, on an 8-point move, right, and I'm done. I saw the momentum. I saw it was present, and boom, I was able to get in the second candlestick and took it to the upside, right? And there's still opportunities here, but I don't want to risk my capital here. Back-to-back action. We do have a Discord channel. If you click the link in our bio, we have a trial link. We currently don't have free access to it based on the capacity of the live trading room, but that room you can engage with very much. There's a lot of experts in trading in that room. You guys could get a lot of education. You guys could get a lot of input. You guys could get a lot of confidence, a lot of levels. It's a community. But yeah, guys. So this does finish. I'll get on. So we mapped out on Tesla. Anyone who wants Tesla again missed it. I'm gonna conclude this Instagram live. I'll get on later. I'll get on later on Instagram live with one of my analysts, me and my analyst, and we'll get on the options page. So make sure that get a different access. I will. Yeah, just DM us if you have any questions. You also anybody who wants to watch me live trade tomorrow morning, click the live trading options on Wall Street. So this year was a little less than previously. I was up trading options this year about 720K options on Wall Street. So I'm gonna get on the options on Wall. So this has been a lower income year. I've been more of accumulating. I've been accumulating a lot of shares this year. This is my lowest year I've made in over 3 years. Yes, but it's okay, right? I kept my edge and I didn't do anything impulsive. So options on Wall Street, make sure you're following that page. Whoever wants to join my live trading tomorrow morning, DM me live trading. In about 2 hours, we will get on Instagram live on the options on Wall Street page, and I'll get on with one of my analysts. You can go ahead and ask us any type of questions. So it'll go on in like about 2 hours, okay? But turn your post notifications on if you guys like this and you guys like the type of content that this kind of stuff that takes your day trading to successful heights.